Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can boot it into Fastboot Mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and select power off and confirm it. When the device turns off, you want to hold your both volume buttons, so up and down, along with the power button. Let's give it a second to turn off. So there we go, we're gonna hold all three buttons. Now once you see the HOTWAV logo on the screen, let go of the power button. Although I would give it like a couple of seconds. There we go. Next, you will see Android with no command, so to get past this, start holding power button and press volume up once. And this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. Now in here, to access Fastboot Mode, we can opt into two different options. And we will need to select them using volume button, so pressing volume down will take you down and up will navigate up. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that being said, the two options that you can utilize to enter Fastboot Mode are Reboot to Bootloader, which might seem counterintuitive, but it will boot you into Bootloader, and enter Fastboot Mode. I'm going to showcase both of them just so you can see how they look like and how to navigate through them. So let's start off with this one. And as you can see, this is a full-fledged Fastboot Mode with a couple options like Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery Mode, Reboot to Bootloader, and also Power Off. And luckily we do have Bootloader right here, so I don't need to back out to the Recovery Mode. I'm just going to select that and then show you how the other Fastboot Mode looks like by selecting the Bootloader. And this one will give us a marking right here, I believe. Yep, there we go. That it's Fastboot Mode. And that's all it has. So previously, if you were in the first Fastboot Mode that I showed at the beginning, all you would need to do to leave it is select reboot to bootloader, reboot device, or whatever that was, the first option. And in here, to actually leave this, we'll need to hold our power button till the device turns off. So just keep holding it till the screen turns off, and at that point you can let go of the power button and the device will boot up automatically. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.